production of the food. So we will visit a farm. So first step, plow the field. Farmers plow the field with the help of tractor, then sowed seeds. When seeds grow into plants, some other unwanted plants also grow with the plants. So these unwanted plants are called weed and they are eradicated from the field. Then farmer water the field, spray pesticide, and when the crops ready, farmers harvest the crop. This crop transported by the vehicle to the market to sell. And from the shop we purchase different types of grains and then we prepare food. Now I will show you some equipments used for farming. Earlier animals and crude stone tools were used to dig the earth. Most of the work men do by their bare hands. Now farming has come into a long way. Most of the work has been done by the machines. So farming has become mechanized. Before sowing the new seeds, farmers had to prepare the field. So first a plow is used to dig the land and expose the deeper soil to the sun and air. You can see the plowing process using by the tractor. It buries the remains of the previous crop and it got mixes with the soil. Also it breaks the lumps of the soil. So when the next is cultivator. Cultivator and harrows have metal teeth. Rolls are used to firm the soil before sowing seeds. If farmer think that soil is little bit loose, so he use roller. It is seed drill which is used to sow the seed. Broadcasting seeds scattered by hand. Distributor and special wagons used for adding fertilizers and manure. You can see here. Huge forks are used to spread manure. Types of crops on the basis of their utility. First is food crop, second is cash crop. Food crops form the diet of overall nation. Cereals, pulses, oil seeds and millets are food crops, while cotton, sugarcane, jute are commercial crops. Sugarcane, cotton, jute are some cash crops or commercial crops. Crops are also categorized on the basis of the season and harvesting. First is kharif crops are planted in the monsoon season and harvested during the retreating monsoon. These are rice, millet and maize are kharif crops. Sugarcane, cotton, tea, coffee are kharif crops. Rabi crops are planted in winter and harvested in spring. Rabi is the Arabic word for spring season. Now some examples: wheat, potato, mustard, green pea, gram are some examples of Rabi crops.